those mountains that mingle with the sky. And if my wishes were but wings, beyond them I would fly. For far beyond the mountains that look so distant here, to find his country's matters lost in a time dear. Ah, well do I remember with bitter sighs the day. Why, oh, didst thou leave me at home? Why did I stay? I count the passing moments, the weary livelong day. For every day's a week long since Owen went away. A cruel was my father, who did my flight restrain, and I was cruel-hearted, that did not hold in vain. With thee, my love, contented, I'd journey far away. Why, oh, when didst thou leave me at home? Why did I stay? And oft in waking visions I see some danger near, to fright my troubled